So this is another variation on how to get the entire spine. You're going to use this roller, place it against the wall, and sandwich it with your body. It's on the mid to lower back on me, so it's roughly where the bra strap would be, or roughly on the lower part of your ribs. So I'm going to start there, and then I'm going to go down into a squat position so it goes up my spine and try to find a sensitive area. Right now I feel a sensitive area right here, so I'm going to hold that position. There's two ways that you can work on it. Number one is more of the seek and destroy. I'm seeking an area that's sensitive. Once I feel it there, then I'm going to hold it there. In order to destroy it, what I'm going to do is just take and apply more pressure into the roller. So I'm going to take a breath in, and when I exhale, I'm going to try to push more into the roller until I feel a little bit more sensitivity. I can actually shift a little bit more towards one side or more towards the opposite way to see if I feel more load there. Once I feel it melt, then I can progress to the next spot. The second technique that you can do is more of the pin and stretch. The pin and stretch is the exact same thing. You're going to find an area that's sensitive. Once you find an area that's sensitive, you're going to hold that there by applying pressure. In order to stretch it out, what you're going to do is whatever's below the roller is going to stay stationary. Whatever's above the roller is actually going to move. So my arms are going to be crossed over. Everything below the roller is going to stay stationary. Whatever's above the roller is going to move. So I'm actually going to arch over the roller, just like that. So my upper half of my body is rolling over the roller itself. And then the other technique, what I can do is everything above the roller will stay stationary. Everything below the roller will actually move. So I'm keeping my upper half stationary, and then I'm trying to sink my butt further against the wall. So I'm trying to make my butt and the lower part of my back to try to touch the wall to sink and melt over the roller itself. So another variation to the pin and stretch is actually holding the tissue once you find a sensitive area and then just curling your body like a little roly-poly. So what I'm doing right now is I'm finding an area that's sensitive, which is roughly about there. I'm going to cross my arms over. I'm going to tuck my chin towards my chest, and then I'm going to try to curl down my spine like a little roly-poly. It looks like this. And then I'll slowly come out of it. And I'll do the exact same thing, tuck my chin towards my chest and roll forward.